This is our model 41003 portable air compressor, and it's the second largest portable in our line of 5 portables. It's 150 psi, and it also has a 2.5 CFM with a 40 millimeter piston, which is pretty much the standard in the industry, 40 millimeter. It has a cleanable, replaceable air filter element, and it has 9-foot power cords because it has to go direct to the battery with the clips, because it could draw up to 30 amps. It has a 25-foot expandable air hose, polyurethane, and an inline pressure gauge. On the back of the gauge is a deflator button, so if you overinflate, you can press it down and let some air out of the tire without having to disconnect the hose. Overall, the sweet spot for this compressor is about a 33-inch tire.